to manage app notifications on a Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we want to scroll down a little bit and we want to go to Notifications. Then in here we have the App Notifications option, and then we should be able to simply manage notifications for specific apps that we have in here, but you might only see some of the apps. You can tap on Most Recent that we have over here, and you can switch to All Apps to ensure that you see the full list of apps that you have on your phone, and then you can decide which apps should be allowed to send you notifications and which should not be allowed. You can tap on any of these apps in order to find some additional settings related to notifications from that app, including categories, so very specific notifications that you can toggle. So you can still keep notifications enabled for apps of your choice, but you might want to, for example, disable very specific notifications that can be sent by the selected app. So you can turn these notifications off, for example, in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.